So this is a recent acquisition. It arrived last week. I've just done the unboxing to get them out, but this is what I received, how I received them. Two of the new ones. I've got an older one which is right up there in the middle of the shot. That's the 2005 from PDi, not the A version. Very nice supply. And now I've got two later models. I'll just remove the covers and just see what condition they're in. The seller did say that one was functional and one not. Okay, of these two, this seems to be the older one because of the red colored switch over 10 to 20 volts, it seems like. I'll confirm that when I see the date codes on some of the components on the inside. Maybe that'll help. Certainly on 0 volt, the input voltage, the little meter on the top left of it is input voltage 111 volt. And the output volt on 0 is 1.2 millivolt. So it seems that it may need calibration, or it just may need to wait for the oven to heat up, because obviously the oven is not heated yet. This is still cold. Powered up for about a minute or so. It normally takes about 10 minutes for these to heat up. So let's go. Let's do 9 volt. Meter calibration seems a little bit off, but only slightly so. 9 volt, and let's switch back to volts from millivolt scale. And it seems to be dead on 9.998 at the moment. Still 111 volt input. So it certainly looks pretty close. Okay. Just checking that that is functional. Yes, it certainly seems to be. So this one looks pretty darn nice. If we go for current limit, sometimes that does come on, sometimes not. Current limit seems to work. There, it's switched on eventually. I have to look into that, but the current limit setting seems to be functional. There we go, cover gone. Let's get a peek on the inside. That's fairly okay. A little bit on the dusty side, as to be expected, seeing that the whole top of these units are punched full of holes. Just the general look and layout on the inside. And we can see how close it is to 20 volt. It's just sitting there flashing. That little meter is actually extremely accurate in comparison to my 5.5 digit bench meter. So I'm happy with that one. Let's go to the other one. I guess then that's the one that's not functioning so well. Okay, so DC fuse 1 amp was blown, so this is now the not working power supply. I'm going to plug it in and then see what happens. One volt. Nine volts. Should be 19 volts. pretty darn close. There we go, 100 milliamps, 500 milliamps. $7. Spot on.